Hi dears, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to start our 7th chapter. And the name of this chapter is Pressure in Liquids and Gases. From the things around you like wind, wave and flowing water, you can understand that the liquids and gases can exert force. Liquid pressure and gaseous pressure are formed due to the force exerted by liquids and gases. In this unit, we learn about gaseous pressure, liquid pressure, atmospheric pressure, and the situation in which they are used in daily life. This chapter includes so many experiments related to pressure. It's a very important chapter. Shall we start? You may know certain properties of air. Air is present all around us. Let's do an activity to find the properties of air. Place a wide wooden ruler on a table in which some part of it should be projected out. Fold a newspaper 8 times and place on it. Then press quickly on the free end of the ruler with your hand. What happened? Yes, the paper fell down. Then unfold the same paper and place it over the ruler on the table. Repeat the same, that is, quickly press on the ruler again. What happens here? The paper neither rise nor fall down. What may be the reason? I will explain. The weight of the paper is same when it is folded and unfolded. But when the paper is unfolded, it is spread over the scale. And when we press one end of the scale, it moves and rises the paper touching it. Remember, there is only small quantity of air between the paper and the table. So the outer air exerts a force on the top surface of the paper. As a result, the paper doesn't move. So, what are the properties of air that you have understand from this? Yes, air is present all around us. It requires space and it possesses weight. From this, do you understand that atmospheric air exerts force on the paper so that the paper didn't fall down when unfolded? Let's see another activity related to this. Remove the needle of a syringe and observe the working of the piston, pulling it back and pushing it. What happens? When the piston is pulled back, atmospheric air rushes into the barrel of the syringe. When the piston is pushed in, the air that enters the barrel moves out. Now let's try some other experiment using this syringe. After pushing the piston into the syringe, close the open end of the syringe with your finger. Then pull the piston back quickly and release it. Don't you see the piston moving fast into the barrel? What may be the reason? Yes, when the piston is pulled back, keeping the open end of the syringe closed, the pressure inside the barrel decreases. In order to equalize the pressure, the air from the outside exerts force on the piston. Hence, the piston moves inwards. Is it clear? Then, after keeping the piston pulled back, close the open end of the syringe with your finger. Now, push the piston in and release it. In which direction does the piston move now? Yes, in the outward direction. What may be the reason? When the piston is pushed in, keeping the open end of syringe closed, the air inside gets compressed. The pressure of this air is greater than the air outside. The pressure of air inside the barrel pushes the piston outwards. You have found out that air can exert force. The force exerted by gas per unit area of the surface is the pressure of gas. The force exerted per unit area by atmospheric air is the atmospheric pressure. Let's see another experiment related to this. Pour hot water into a glass bottle of more than half a liter capacity. Blow air into a balloon and remove the air from it. Repeat it 2 or 3 times. Pour out the hot water from the bottle and fix the balloon at the mouth of the bottle immediately. Allow the bottle to cool. What will happen to the balloon? Yes, the balloon inflates into the bottle. I will explain. The air inside the bottle from which hot water is removed is hot and expands. When the bottle cools, the air inside the bottle also cools. So, the pressure outside the bottle, that is the atmospheric pressure, is higher than the pressure inside the bottle. The greater atmospheric pressure outside the bottle rushes into the bottle. Due to this force, the balloon inflates into the bottle. Is it clear? Let's conclude today's session. Today we have studied some activities related to pressure. Study well, it's very important. Thank you.